welcome to my playhouse. And today I was just working here at the computer making another video, and I was typing on my keyboard and I just realized, holy crap, that's dirty and disgusting, that keyboard. So I thought I better get a new one. Then I kind of realized I quite it. I like this keyboard, and it's always a hassle to change to another keyboard because everything moves around and you have to get acquainted. You have to find everything again so that you can do the same things as fast as you did before. So I thought, well, I might just clean the keyboard instead. See if I can do that, and if I can't do that, well, then I'll have to get a new keyboard. But let's just see how dirty it is first. Here it is. It has really become disgusting. I don't know why it's this dirty. There is very often a lot of dust in here, and I am working on multiple things, and then I just go in and use the computer, and that might be it. But I'm gonna disconnect the keyboard and we're gonna give it a good scrub. There we are. I'm just gonna take it out into the kitchen. And put it right there. So before I do anything stupid like taking this apart, I want to be sure that I can put on the keys in the right spots again. So I'm gonna take a picture of it. There is the picture. Brilliant. Okay. There's a lot of screws on the back of it. I hope I don't have to take all. Probably have to. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. That's gonna be so easy. I don't even have to clean the electronics. The electronics is here, and all the keys are here. And they don't even fall out. Cool. So I can wash this. That's nice. So that picture is totally not necessary, but cool. That was too easy. Just gonna dry off as much water that I can. Well, I seem to have misplaced my hairdryer, so I'm just using the exhaust from my Datacenter to dry off the keyboard. This was almost too easy. If I knew that this was this easy, I would have done it a long time ago. So let's put this back on. Cool. Let's see if it works. See? That's nice. That was a short video about cleaning my keyboard, and that was a lot easier than I had expected. I thought all the all the keys would be loose, and I had to put them in like a ball and scrub them off one by one and place them in the right spots afterwards, and maybe you have to clean the electronics inside and dry that off. But this took like 5-10 minutes. I didn't even have to fast forward it. It would still be a normal length video. Thank you for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again. Have a nice day. Bye.